Hi guys, today at Blaze's Kitchen, we're going to show you guys how to make some stuff I've kind of came up with. I learned from my mom. So I got these egg noodles. I don't know if you can see them. They come in a bag. Oh, by the way, my buddy B&K, or KB, got some more people coming. But it's just like little egg noodles. You can use spaghetti. You can use little spaghetti noodles and just break them down to like little inch sizes. This one's already broken down, so that's what that is. Now come over here because I'm gonna brown these noodles a little bit. Let's see, where's this thing on high? So put about, I'd say, I don't know, quarter butter like this. Should be plenty. Let that warm up, and then we're gonna put all these noodles in here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let the butter melt, and then we're gonna keep turning the noodles until the noodles turn nice and brown. Then we're gonna add a bunch of water to it and let it soak it up. While I was doing that, I've marinated some chicken, and you can have regular chicken or however you want to marinate your chicken. You can do damn near anything as a dish to put on top. So I'm gonna get this thing in here, and I'm gonna get it to cook on low because we got plenty of time to cook that. So the slower I cook it, the more juicier it's gonna be. So let this sit here and slowly cook on its own. So you can marinate the chicken however you want. I've kind of done a little bit of lemon, cilantro, onion, some lemon pepper, some salt, a little bit of olive oil, kind of just mix up a chicken. You can just do regular chicken, or you can buy one of those whole chickens from the store and then just peel the chicken off that way. So let's see, and it works good with non-sticking pans. Get something like this, and yeah, this cook stop's working. I'm using the butter to butter them up, and then I'm kind of just burning them so they get a little color. Oh, okay. Because they get more flavor as they get more colorful. You can see somewhere down there it's already turning black and brown. So the goal is to get them all to look, yeah, see how the, so like every, you can do like every minute if you want, just keep rotating. There you go. All right, see, so that's about an even color all the way around. Okay, so now, perfect. So when that little water to the side, it might not, I'm gonna need some more, B. I would say, you probably get like a good 4 8-ounce cups of water in here. So these are not 8-ounce cups, but I'd say 4 big 8-ounce cups of water would be plenty. We'll put one more. We can put one more in here. Yeah, B, give me one more. Put one more cup of water, and we'll let this puppy just sit like this. We'll turn the burner to like somewhat low, medium, and let it sit here. Okay. Do that. Now what I'm gonna do is I've got this stuff that works really well. It's called this chicken bouillon. They're like little chicken tablets. You ever seen these guys? Drop 2 of them in here. And this will give it like it's just basically like a flavor booster. And they work really, really well. So I'll drop 2 of these in here. Give you all the flavor in the world. So this is gonna take a little bit of time. So as you can see, the noodles are they're sucking up all the water, and they're gonna get nice and juicy. So leave that like this. Just let it kind of just slowly cook. Chicken here is doing its own thing. It's gonna take a little bit for this chicken to cook, but it might take, you know, 10-15 minutes sitting that there. So I'll let the chicken cook. And this is pretty, I got it on 4 over here. So that's doing this thing there. And this guy's gonna be working his way. So here's what we're gonna do, guys. So what I've done is I've chopped up some mushrooms. Obviously these were whole. Cut them in half. I'll just cut them in half. I don't know, probably like 2 handfuls of mushrooms I got in here. I should have probably counted how many mushrooms I cut, but I didn't. But there's that. So what we're gonna do is these mushrooms are gonna end up with the noodles. I put them in last because if I put them in now, they'll cook, they'll shrink, they'll lose all their juice and water, and they'll become worthless at that point. So while these noodles are cooking, you could add, which I do, you could add some salt and pepper to it. Could add some garlic salt if you want. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt to this situation. And then I've got some of this Kirkland pink salt, Himalayan salt. Get it at Costco. We'll have to slowly taste that. So let that do that. The water's kind of gone down. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add the mushrooms to it now. Add all of them to it. And I'm gonna let it cook in the juice, the sauce. So you can add a little bit of black pepper to it. Boom. With that. Chicken's done. I'm gonna pull the chicken, and then that's done too.
Sure. Okay. Want to sit my hand?
You know what? If you want over, we lost.
I can't believe they lost to that.
I think Buddy Hill.
Yeah!
Like,
Mr. Korean. Come on in. Got the chicken. And finally,
Short for Kimberly.
Right. Nice to meet you, Kimberly.
Me too. How do you want to do this?
He might need his headphones
okay.
to watch his show.
So I got a spoon with a little hole in it because of the juice. But
Some of that. No, that's
Do you want to try some of Uncle Waters' noodles?
so good.
So, Waters, did you just make up this recipe?
Thank you so much.
I've been working on it. Oh, it's right in front of me.
Oh, wow. That is beautiful.
Okay. That's good right there.
Oh, wow, good.
My friend, what is this? It is very, very good.
This salad.
It is. What?
Sounds super good, right?
Mm-hmm. And this is where the spoon comes in. See, you go like this, you go, and you capture all the goodness.
How's it, Kim?
Good.
Good?
Awesome, so good.
Sometimes you can actually, even if you want to, you can chop the chicken up and actually cook it inside the dish
Yeah.
and let the chicken flavor and all go in there. Or you could, the chicken was made with the salad. You put it on the salad, you have the chicken with the salad if you want to mix it up. Either way, all three can go together however you want. But I put the mushrooms in last so the mushrooms stay nice and plump.
I'm gonna go with the fork now.
I'm gonna need a leftovers. Put some lunch on.
Absolutely.
Weapon number 2.
Weapon number 2. So, sorry guys, I've been itching to eat all this stuff. So, like us, subscribe to our channel, turn on that notification. I got a bunch of more stuff to make. I will start making them more faster so you get some more content if you guys want to cook some of this stuff for Christmas or whatever. Subscribe to us. If you got comments, you don't like something, or you have questions, feel free to comment. And if you have some mean comments, keep them to yourself. Nobody cares. That's all I got.